In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Apollo.io. Whether you're managing a large contact list or just want to keep your data clean, duplicate entries can be a real headache, but don't worry because we're going to tackle this together. To get started, go ahead and navigate to the Apollo.io homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Lists tab. This is where all your contact lists are organized, and it's the starting point for cleaning up any unwanted duplicates. After you've clicked on Lists, the next step is to locate the specific list you want to clean up. Go ahead and click on the list that contains the duplicates you wish to manage. Now that you've accessed the list, we'll move on to selecting all the leads. You'll notice a checkbox option that allows you to select all leads in your list. Click on it to ensure all entries within your selected list are highlighted. After selecting all leads, you will see an option to select all. It's important to click this as it confirms your selection of every lead in the list. With all your leads selected, the next course of action is to click on Apply. This will bring all the selected leads into the working subset we're going to clean. In the top right area of the page, you'll see a set of 3 dots, often representing additional options. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you're going to select Merge Duplicates. This tool will efficiently help us condense those pesky duplicates into single consolidated entries. After clicking Merge Duplicates, you will see a prompt to select a master contact to merge the duplicates into. This step is crucial because it determines which contact entry retains the primary information after merging. Choose the contact you prefer as the master by clicking on Select and then identifying your choice. Ensuring you're merging into the right master contact helps maintain data accuracy. Once you've chosen the master contact, click on Merge to start the merging process. This effectively compresses the duplicates into the master entry, making your list cleaner and more efficient. Lastly, let's use the Highlight feature, which you can find by navigating back to the menu near the top of your list. Select Highlight to clearly view any remaining issues or differences among your list, providing a visual cue if further action is needed. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your contact list in Apollo.io, removing all duplicates in the process. This not only tidies up your database, but also ensures you're working with the most accurate information available. Thank you for watching, and happy data managing.